Hello beautiful people. Thank you so much for watching my videos and liking it, sharing it. I'm highly grateful to all of you for with this response. Today I'll just discuss uh, what would be the profession for school for elders, right? So today's profession we will discuss about writers. I hope we all have seen Bagban, right? In Bagban, what Amitabh ji did, he just spent all the savings on his children and he thought that I will be now relying on my children. You know what we do? When we do such things, we are just inviting difficult times and challenging times. We are just inviting miseries for us. However, God has given us life and we can work till our last breath. I have given you example of Idli Amma. I have given you example uh, of Warren Buffett. I have given you example of Bill Gates, right? Those who are working, they don't have any age for retirement. Joe Biden, he is 80 plus and he's president of America, right? That was his dream. If he can manage country, right, and the country which is superpower, why can't our parents, those who are equally intelligent, those who are blessed with all the body parts, those who are doing everything, those who can do everything in the world, so why can't we have a school for them where they can enhance and they can find their life purpose? They are not vestigial bodies on the planet, as I have told in Bagban. What Amitabh ji did, please don't let your parents do that. That's the movie, but that is a reality of many houses. However, it was shown that it's not necessary that even only your blood relations will do good things to you. He has adopted one kid, right? So he was supportive to him. So from this movie I have got a lesson: you should always adopt a child and you should always share your wealth and you should always share and take responsibility of someone who is very capable and intelligent, because they will be highly indebted to you forever till your life. And in real life I have seen many examples where people have taken property of their own fathers, and the fathers are committing suicide just because of this, because they don't know what to do after that. So which is very disheartening and it pains somewhere here, right? वो कहते हैं ना, दिल पे नहीं लगती तो तब तक कोई चेंज नहीं आता. सो मे बी दैट्स द चेंज विच गॉड वॉन्टेड. एंड आई वॉज सर्चिंग ऑन गूगल. There was no such school in the whole world that which will pay attention to development of elders, someone who is above 50. Why we are not having achievements above 50, above 60? Why can't we have such achievements? Why are we running in a rat race of under 20, under 30, under 40? Why such rat races, right? We should have achievements of above 50, above 60, so that they should also set example above 70, above 80, right? So they should also set certain examples and hopes for the world. Because if one soul is not at peace, the whole humanity, the whole human race is not at peace, as per Dr. Brian Weiss, who is #1 past life regression therapist. So it's my humble request that please share this video as much as you can till the time we should not form a tribe. I'm sure this night would have a very bright morning. By night I'm meaning about lockdown. I'm talking about lockdown. It is gonna have a very good beginning, because one thing is permanent, that nothing is permanent. I mean, everything changes. This will also not remain same. So do our pleasures, so do our pains. Anything, nothing is permanent, right? Neither any weather is permanent. So everything changes, everything has their own seasons. And I would like to quote an example here. I'm sure you will understand better with the examples. Have you seen heart rate? Heart rate, how the line goes. We all want settled life, right? वी ऑल से सीधी सादी ज़िंदगी चाहिए, स्मूथ ज़िंदगी चाहिए. हार्ट रेट जब स्ट्रेट हो जाती है, स्मूथ हो जाती है, डू यू रियली लाइक दैट? आपको कैसा लगता है? ओ माय गॉड, सामने वाले की हार्ट रेट बढ़ जाती है. जब वो टीवी में भी दिखाते हैं ना कि उसकी हार्ट रेट सीधी होगी, वो कहते हैं ओ माय गॉड, डोंट डोंट डोंट, ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए, नो 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 नो, इट शुड नॉट हैपन, राइट? सो अगर हमें हार्ट रेट ऊपर नीचे ही चाहिए, राइट, इफ़ वी वांट आवर हार्ट रेट बाय लाइक zigzag, राइट, it's ups and downs, right? So if heart rate is like that, our life is also like that. Why we only want up up up? Why not down down down? It's always up and down, right? So yes, school for elders, and it will get manifested in the whole world. It will be a global effort, and very soon the more people would be at work, the more it would get manifested as soon as possible in collective consciousness, right? I know what I'm talking. You must be knowing, Neha, what are you talking? But yes, just remember that the life, that this life which we are blessed with, it is having all seasons. Please enjoy, and just stay positive, and just have gratitude that if it is down, it must be gonna go up, right? So after lockdown, I'm sure I'm gonna visit all the old age homes and give hope to these loving souls. So till then, see you, Tara, bye bye, take care.